Hey guys, welcome back. So let's go on and add a toxic fish. I will add a sprite, go right here, click to fish. Maybe this fish is something from here. And we can go right here to the costumes and change the costume to this fish. So I will change also the size. I will use 60% of this. So this is a toxic fish, and also I can go to the name and change the name to toxic fish. Okay, so actually I would like to take all this code from the fish, so I will drag this code and I will drop it to the toxic fish, and also I will drag all this code and drop it again to the toxic fish. So if I'm going to the toxic fish, I will see that the code is copied. Actually, it is right here. So my toxic fish will move inside my ocean randomly, but also I would like to change this behavior so that if shark touches this fish, then I would like to change the message to a new message that is shark is poisoned. Poisoned. Shark is poisoned. Then change score by minus 30. I would like also to duplicate. Oh no, not all this. Okay, I will bring it back, and I would like to delete all this code and just change. I will create a new variable. So I will go here to variables. I will make a variable. I will name it lives, and I will change lives by -1. So in the variables, I will change lives by -1. Then it will be hidden because also the fish is eaten, so all the other is exactly the same. So this is what it happens. So let's try to check it right now. So my life is -1. I will change it. I will make a small change right here. So I will go back to my shark, and I will say that when flag is clicked, I will make another scenario right here. When flag is clicked, I would like to make set lives to 5. So forever go to control, forever. I will check if lives are equal to 0. So operators, if lives are equal to 0, then broadcast. I would like to broadcast a message that the game is over. So the game is over, and I will create another sprite right here. I will paint, and I will write game over. I will change here to handwriting. I will change the color, and maybe something smaller. You can also try pixel, for example, if you would like, or marker, or curly is also good. I will use marker right here. So this sprite, when I receive game over, then I would like to be shown inside my game. But when flag is clicked, then this should be hidden. So now it's okay. I will make a small modification. I don't like here that the score is reduced by 30. I will change it by 10 because I don't want to be very hard. I will try right now. So here it is. My score is 10, is again 0. Now it's 10. It's 20. 30. My lives are 2. Lives are 1. And finally game over. So I will make a very small modification. I would like to change the behavior of the shark so that when it eats a simple fish, it gets bigger, and when it eats a toxic fish, it gets smaller. So I will go here to control, and I will say, to events, and I will say when I receive fish eaten, then I would like to switch costume to shark to A, and then wait for 0.3 seconds. Switch costume again to switch So right here, switch costume to 2A. So first of all, switch costume to 2B. That opens its mouth, then wait for 0.3 seconds and switch costume to 2.A, and also change size by 10%. But I will duplicate all this code, and I will say that when I receive shark is poisoned, then I would like to do exactly the same things, but I would like to change the size by -10, and then I would like to say for 2 seconds, oh, I have been poisoned. And finally, I would like to add one last command, that when I receive game over, then I would like to be hidden. And this one is something that I will copy it also to the fish, and I will copy it also to the toxic fish. So when all of these receive game over, then they should be hidden. So let's start right now. Oh, I have been poisoned. Okay, oh, I have been poisoned again. So now it's again, it's bigger. Oh, again, it's bigger. It's bigger. The shark is getting bigger and bigger. Now it is a real shark. And the game is over. So this is your game. I think it's a really wonderful game. You can save it right here, save now. You can also share your game with your friends and your family. Scary shark game. You can use instructions like try to avoid the toxic fish and eat as many fish, normal fish, as you can. So your project is now shared. You can use this scary be careful, the shark is really scary. So this is it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lessons with new games in Scratch 3.0.